Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a kid that constantly wants to take pictures or you're looking for a gift for someone, I highly recommend this kids camera by Adicop. It is so cute and my son absolutely loves it. Really appreciate that it comes with a strap because if you have children, you know they're constantly dropping things, so this is really handy. I also like that it came with this super cute cover, which is a dinosaur, but it really protects it too. It has so many options that I did not even realize before getting it, which is really cool. It's got games on it. It can even take videos, and it comes with a 64 GB card, which will hold a ton of pictures. It's really lightweight and small, so it's perfect for little kids' hands. My son is 3 and he really loves carrying it around. If you're looking for the perfect gift or something new for your kid, I highly recommend this. It is so much fun for kids and adults. It comes with games, it's easy to charge, and super durable. I love it, it's super cute, and so does my son. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.